Hai, Assalamualaikum. On day 1, our trip are all around Perth City. It is a cashless trip sebab semua tempat ni tak ada admission fees. These places are called KINGSPARK Botanical Garden. Dekat sini, you spend a minimum of 1 hour. Tapi jangan datang bila dah gelap, even dia buka 24 hours sebab tempat ni sangat cantik and you will take amazing photos. Hi there ready? You pun boleh chill-chill tepi water fountain ni. Tapi jangan fikir masalah kehidupan sebab travel kena happy-happy je. Macam adik-adik ni. Then, we went to Blue Boat House. Tempat ni cantik, tapi since dia dekat tepi jalan, kita kena beratur bila nak ambil gambar sebab one person at a time. Malu sebenarnya sebab orang tengok, tapi tak apalah sebab gambar cantik tau bila kita ambil kat sini. This video are from my IG story, so the quality are a little bit bad. Tapi you still boleh nampak ada rainbow, cantik. We end our day dengan pusing-pusing around Perth City. Dekat sini ada Bell Tower and Elizabeth QUAY. Day 2 to Western Australia. It took us 1 hour and 10 minutes to MANDURAH Dolphin Island. Bagi I, tempat ni memang highlight of my whole trip sebab I sangat-sangat suka dolphin. Cruise ni ada 3 kali sehari, which is pukul 10, pukul 12 and pukul 2.30. Just look at that, dolphin memang suka untuk berenang and play around with the wave yang datang daripada boat kita. Mana nak dapat experience ni? Bagi I memang worth it gila, so you have to include this in your trip. Untuk 4 orang, it cost 239 AUD. So, untuk seorang, it is 59 AUD, which is 175 Malaysia ringgit. Harga dia kena dengan experience yang kita gain and the trip which is 1.5 hour long. Dia buat kita pusing-pusing and mainly, we go for dolphin searching. Jangan lupa pergi Share Market sebab tempat tu ramai orang recommend untuk souvenir murah-murah. Tutup pukul 5, buka every Friday to Sunday sahaja. After balik Frementle Market, kita singgah to fishing boat harbour to fill our tummy. Fresh sangat-sangat dia punya fish and chip. Nanti dulu, before we go to day 3 until day 6, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share dekat kawan-kawan korang, especially yang kaki travel tu. Mana tahu it will be beneficial to them. Dan jangan lupa subscribe sebab lepas ni I akan buat banyak travel video and for my next video I akan ajar cara-cara buat itinerary step by step. Thank you. On to the day 3. We went to CAVERSHAM Wildlife Park. Wildlife Park memang wajib pergi bila you dekat sini. Unless kalau you selalu travel sini. Just look at these cute kangaroos. Mana boleh miss out. Last entry pukul 3, tapi every show ada time dia tersendiri. So, be sure to plan well. Nak tahu timing dia, boleh check at their website. Comel kan burung pink ni? Ni antara haiwan yang ada dalam show. So, korang jangan miss out the show. Oh yeah, the admission fee is AUD 30 per person, which is around 90 Malaysia ringgit. Tapi no additional charge for every show yang dia ada. If nak tangkap gambar dengan koala pun free of charge je. Macam my thumbnail, makanan kangaroo pun disediakan. Korang jangan miss out their feeding show. Ada banyak, tapi yang paling comel, the penguin one. Yang ni, the other side of the farm. Dekat sini ada llamas, the white one comel, badan dorang fluffy. Dekat depan llamas tadi tu, ada spesies-spesies macam rabbit, yang dah kacuk, yang belum kacuk, ada duck, macam-macam lah. Yang ni pula, the other part of the farm. Sebab tu saya cakap, you'll spend minimum of 3 hours dekat sini. Sebab tempat ni besar. Dalamnya ada kambing yang dah kacuk, yang belum kacuk, ada ayam, macam-macam lah dalam ni. After this, kita just habiskan our day 3 dengan pergi chocolate factory and factory outlet. Tengoklah horsey ni, gebu. Korang jangan lupa check description box below, okay? Dekat situ I ada full itinerary. Day 4, Lancelin Sand Surf. Tempat ni open every day, tak ada gate entry pun. Tapi it is advisable to come before 5pm sebab kalau dah gelap tak seronok nak main. Sandboard boleh sewa dekat kedai masa on the way dalam 30 Malaysia ringgit. Depends on berapa lama you sewa. Skateboard and 4-wheel drive pun ada. Pakai pakaian selesa sebab you akan hike the dunes and slide. Yang ni Pinnacle Desert. Dalam ni ada Nabung National Park sekali. Ada yang datang for stargazing, tapi kalau macam I takut nak datang malam sebab tempat ni macam hutan je. In my personal opinion, good to go but not a place that you have to go. Cantik lah untuk gambar. Tapi Day 6, my last day. Since flight pukul 3.30 pagi, we went to Aeroland Botanic Garden. Yes, garden lagi sebab time ni nak masuk spring. So cantik sangat-sangat bunga-bunga dia. Then we just pergi shopping untuk kali terakhir. Day 5, I tak ada video sebab I tak sihat. But we just went to factory outlet shopping. Sorry sebab quality clip ni very bad. This one, almost every day makan. Sangat-sangat sedap. This is Daniella charcoal chicken. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making them. Thank you. Okay, this is a random clip from day 2. Tempat ni cantik dan tenang sangat. Saya ada basking lagi. Dekat sini ada churros sedap. You guys kena try that one. Sangat sedap. Clip ni dari day 2 juga. Since nak masuk spring, diorang decorate cartoon dengan flowers. Cantik, kreatif. So, you guys jangan lupa follow my next video yang itinerary tu. I akan ajar supaya you guys tak miss out any good event.